Hello friends, welcome to Gyan Days. Hope you guys have an amazing day. So today we are going to start our IAS IPS in seconds series that will be based on CSAT. Okay, so I will give you certain tips regarding CSAT exams in order to do your revision correctly. Okay, in order to do your revision properly based on CSAT. Okay, so when you start your revision, make sure that you actually study three topics thoroughly. Okay, your first priority is to clear these three topics. So your first in these three topics, the first topic is percentages, then comes averages, and finally the ratios and proportion. Because I think I have discussed this concept with you earlier, right? That means if you know these three topics thoroughly, then it is easy for you guys to do revision in all other topics. Okay, especially in topics like speed distance, in set theory, in probability, in data interpretation. So in all these topics, you can see the application of these three modules. Okay, that means these three sections, that is the percentage, the average, as well as the ratios and proportion. So study thoroughly these three topics, then it is easy for you guys to study all other topics in your CSAT syllabus. So today we are going to deal with one of the questions based on percentages. It's actually a previous year question. Anyway, let's go to the question. Now let's solve a question based on percentages. Now look here. The question is, a city has a population of 3 lakh, out of which 1,80,000 are males and 50% of the population are literate. And if 70% of the male population are literate, find the literate female population. Okay, so this is actually, as I said earlier, this is actually a previous year question. And when you see questions based on percentages, in some cases you can apply direct shortcut equations, okay, in order to solve questions based on percentages. But here you actually need to use your logical thinking. For that, you actually need to know the concept regarding the percentages, all those basic things. Okay, I think we have discussed all those concepts, right? In our online classes, we have discussed all those concepts. Now look here, for example, that is 50%. Okay, 50% of x is nothing but 50 by 100 into x. This is actually the basic concept you should know in order to solve this question. Okay, if you know that concept, then it is easy for you guys. Okay, now look here. A city has a population of 3 lakh. Okay, a city has a population of 3 lakh. So the total population, okay, the city has a population of 3 lakh. So the total population is what? 3 lakh, right? So just write down 3 lakh. Okay. Now out of which 1,80,000 are males, right? Out of which 1,80,000 are males, right? So total male population is what? 1,80,000, right? So look here, 50% of the population are literate. 50% of the population are literate. So 50% of the population are literate means 50% of 3 lakh, right? 50% of population are literate means 50% of the 3 lakh are literate. That means 50% of 3 lakh, like 3 lakh are literate. That means 50 by 100 into what? 3 lakh. Okay. So what answer you will be getting? 1,50,000. We already know 50% of any quantity means what? It's half, right? So 50% of 3 lakh is what? 1,50,000, right? So total literate, it is that 50% of the population are literate. So total literate population, let it denoted by L. It is nothing but 1,50,000, right? 1,50,000. Okay, 1,50,000. If 70% of the male population are literate, find the literate female population. Look here, it is that 3 lakh people are there. Out of that, 50% are what? 50% are literate. Right? In that 1,80,000 is what? Males, right? And it is that 70% of the male population are literate. Okay? Out of this 1,80,000, 70% of the population are literate. Okay? Now look here. Now let's check. Let's find how many percentage. Okay? What is the total number of literate males? Okay? It is that 70% of the male population are literate, right? So 70 by 100 into 1,80,000. Okay, so on solving this, you will be getting the total number of male population. Okay, let's solve 70 by 0 got cancelled. So 18,000. 18 into 70. 1,26,000 is the total number of male. Out of this 1,80,000, 1,26,000 is what? They are literate males, right? So literate means, let it be LM. Okay, LM is what? 1,26,000. Okay. So we got all the quantities required, and our aim is what? Find the literate female population. Now the real game starts. Okay, it is said that literate males total is what? We already found that literate male is what? 1,26,000. Okay, total number of literate persons is what? 1,50,000. Okay, so out of 1,50,000, 1,26,000 are male literate. So what about the female literate? Remaining will be female literate, right? Look here. The total literate persons are what? 1,50,000, right? The total literate persons is 1,50,000. Out of that, 1,26,000 are males. So remaining will, out of that 1,26,000 are males. So remaining will be what? Will be the literate females. That means 1,50,000 minus 1,26,000, you will be getting the total number of female population who are actually literate. Okay, you will be getting the total number of literate female population. So 1,50,000 minus 1,26,000. On solving this, you will be getting the answer. Now let's solve it. 24,000. So we got the answer as 24,000. So the total female population who are actually literate is what? 24,000. So our answer is what? Our answer is 24,000. So the total literate females are 24,000. Okay guys, that's all for today. So I'll be coming with another question in the next video. So all the best for your preparation. And as I said to you earlier, 3 important topics, that is the ratios and proportion, the percentages and the averages. Okay, make sure that you guys know these 3 topics thoroughly. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you.